Hey everybody, Lewis here, Our Shack Barbecue and other things. So today I am going to be doing a copycat cook. And the reason that I'm doing this is because I watched the video and it looked darn good. And then the person that actually did it liked it so much that a year later he recreated it and did it again. And this guy is a barbecue freak, and you know, he does competitions. He is sponsored. For him to make a dish in his kitchen not once but twice, that means it has to be good. So hold on a minute, let me see if you can figure out who it was. What's up, YouTube freaks and barbecue peeps? James here at Aim 'em and Claim 'em. Yep, it's James who I'm gonna copy, and he did a Parmesan garlic mushroom chicken dish. So I'm gonna do that too, and I'm gonna follow his recipe pretty much right down to the T, because he likes Tito's. But I'm gonna use a different seasoning. I don't have, it's incredible yet, but I'm gonna get some. So go Hawks. And I'm gonna make this video, and basically I'm just gonna go through the process. I'm not gonna explain what's going on. I'm gonna have a link to his video and his channel for you to get the recipe from, and you can do it, and then I'll tell you what I think of it. So let's get into this cook.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
I was making the creamy sauce, I started cooking the penne noodles on a separate burner. Once they were done cooking, I drained them and poured them into the saucepan and then stirred it up with all the spinach and mushrooms and the cream sauce. And then I added back the chicken breasts and kind of cooked that for just a few minutes and mixed it all up before plating. Okay, so here we have our cheesy Parmesan mushroom, spinach, and chicken dinner. So let's get into a taste. So tonight, to go along with the chicken dinner, we have Schafferhaven grapefruit Hefeweizen. Cheers, everybody. That is good. So let's try this. Get in here and cut some of the chicken. Put some of the sauce on it. That looks like. Oh wow. Give this a big old bite. Oh my. Oh. You know what? James was saying that he was kind of lost for words. You watch him and he was just like unbelievable. And I gotta tell you, oh, that sauce is incredible. That Parmesan, oh man, it is just so good. Wow. You know, I'm not saying I was skeptical. I knew it had to be good if he made 2 videos of it. And this is incredible. You definitely need to try this. Like I said, I'll have a link to his video, and he's got the full recipe in there. And I basically followed everything he did, used a little different seasoning, and then I put the penne noodles in. He did that in his second video, which was a good idea. I think his first video he put it over rice, but definitely delicious. So anyhow, everybody, you don't have to do everything on the grill. You can do it in the kitchen too. Cheers. Beer, 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 beer.